In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Apple gift card on Amazon and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you have access to an Apple gift card, you might be curious on how to redeem it, and specifically if it is possible to use your Apple gift card to purchase items on Amazon. So as you might already be aware, you can easily redeem your Apple gift card by going over to their website, by opening the App Store, and by going over to the official Apple Store. However, can you use it on external locations like Amazon? On Amazon, you can hover over gift cards and you can see all of the options to buy gift cards. But if you go to redeem gift cards, you will notice that it only says redeem Amazon gift cards. And if you input the full gift card here for your Apple card, it is simply going to tell you that the card is invalid. As you can see, they describe how an Amazon gift card claim code works. And basically on this page, you can only redeem the Amazon gift card. So as it stands today, is there any way to get the balance from the Apple gift card and purchase items on Amazon, either from Apple or other brands? Sadly, as it stands today, if you have an Apple gift card, you can only use it on official Apple services. So the App Store, iCloud, and so on. You need to use it for one of these applications here, and you will not be able to redeem your Apple gift card elsewhere. You can only use Amazon gift cards on Amazon itself, and the same for Apple. As it stands today, there's no workaround to transfer the balance from one gift card to another service. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using an Apple gift card on Amazon and how it is not possible to do this. There is no workaround, and as it stands today, it is impossible. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to use Apple gift card on Amazon, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.